Happy Independence Day, guys. And you know what? Today we're gonna preview, the Filipino Team Buffet here at the Aldi Dining at Fairfields by Marriott. So tara, check out kung sino mga pagkaon na i-offer because it's only 888. So it's one of the best below 1,000 peso buffets out there. So tara, kung sa kayo makaon na 888 na ito. Right. Ay, sorry. Of course, nanay lechon manok. Okay. Wapa kayo kita na. We have lechon belly. Agong kita na. And with goyong. And we have sinugbang isda. Wapa, kumpano. We have, of course, lumpiang Shanghai. It's very popular. Ada mga sausawan out there. Then, kuya ako kung gatas, ay buko juice, buko juice, calamansi juice, and of course we have our ensalada, our salad bar. We have salads, kinilaw na puso sa saging with gata, pusok salad, and your DIY, and then of course pusok rice, bugas mais, mais, and of course our nilarang na isda. So if you want sabaw, wow, ilarang ba, iguwapo kayo. And chicken apritada. Beef balbacoa. Oh, kalamig. Ano yung akong birahan niya. And we have pork kumba, of course, classic pork kumba. Our adobo, binisaya na kumba. And of course for soup, we have puchero. And we have assorted fruits over there and desserts. May turon, mag-float, leche flan, of course, and you have coffee.
She has been messaging with my mom.
And of course, dirita sa Chef's Corner sa grilled station. So
Kami Cebu.
Hey, what's up? Pwede ka mag-chorizo, hotdog, manok, chicken feet, Adidas. So,
yes,
Adidas. Yun. And of course, itong Pungko Station na of course, ganito mo yung kinabot. Namigay mga street foods diri. Tempura mo tawagan na. Ilang fishball diri. Or isa ding saging, labot tingali. So, muna. And then, mapag dito. Ato ta dito sa isa ka station na may ice cream. Ice cream and bibingka. So, bibingka special. Oh yeah, video. Dirty ice cream. Na itong hugaw bagyo. Dirty. I mean, dirty ice cream. Oh, classic ube. Ube. Kay Cebu. And, of course, apil ang bin.
Oh, that's 699.
So, palit kag beer day kung ganahan ka. But, you know, they have house blend iced tea, infused water, chilled mango juice. And so this is every weekend, 888, Friday, Saturdays. Tara na po yung sulit rasan. Uy, di ba na? Especially, may mga traffic mas mandaw laban mo diri. Oh, diri si Bida. Ano yun? Pur Bida, may mga invite ninyo. So, Bid, so, unsa man invite mo sila mga tao.
Yes, we're inviting you Fairfield by Marriott Cebu, Mandaue City, in EC Cortez Avenue, and then we're offering street food buffet every Friday and Saturday. That's 888. That's 888 only, and then that includes everything: a dirty ice cream, your favorite inihaw, your favorite street food.
And what time magsugod
6 p.m. to 10 p.m.
And any promos to announce?
This Sunday, we also have a Father's Day buffet. So you can get unlimited beer for $6.99 only, and that's $9.88 also for the buffet.
Wow! Yes. So mauna.
So invite mo ha, ato mo.
So ari na mo ha, mga unta diri. You know, bring your friends, family, office mates, perfect kini diri nindot kini children, especially on a Friday night. Why not? Diba? Dili samok, na parking. Diba? Chill na kayo. Labi na mong kataga Mandaue, guys. Check them out. Thank you so much for watching and happy Independence Day. Bye.